In this video, I will show you how to make money on Instagram. So first and foremost, when you open up your Instagram, you need to take note that in order to make money on Instagram, there are some requirements you have to meet. And one of the first and the key requirements is you need to have around 10,000 and above followers. So for my case, I only have 5 followers, so I don't qualify. But once you have 10,000 followers, then you qualify to make money on Instagram. Then another thing, you need to tap on the settings over here and then tap on the 3 lines. So once you tap on those upper 3 lines, scroll down and then look for account type. So once when you look for account type, it's over here. So you tap on account type and tools. So once you tap on account type and tools, switch to the professional account. Okay, so just tap on next. Okay, and then choose the kind of content you want to create, because you're going to switch to a professional account whereby you create content and you'll get paid. So for my case, I'll choose maybe personal blog and then tap on switch. Once I tap on switch over here, you just need to put some more information. Okay, and then as you can see, this is a creator account. So I'll tap on next and then I'll tap on OK, and then I'm good to go. And that's how simple it is, guys. So once you just come over here and then fulfill all the steps and then start making your content and get paid by Instagram. Thanks for watching. We shall meet once again.